Hi, this is Elias with ELDA Management Services. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the different property management fees and how some of them are structured and what you should look for when looking for management companies to be hired to take care of your property. Primarily there are generally two sets of fees. You can always look for a flat fee based company, or they have percentage based flat fee management companies. They differ in that one of them you're going to pay a set price, could be higher, could be lower, and on the percentage basis, you're going to pay based on however much rent is collected. And so if you have a lesser rent, you're going to generally pay less management fees, and the higher rents you're going to pay a little bit more. So what does this management fee include? In general, the general management fee should include basically all the collections of your rent. It should include financials, obtaining a monthly statement, doing a 1099 at the end of the year, annual statements as well. So making sure you have good accounting and tracking of your funding, because that's truly important for the investors. Making sure a good system's in place to be able to provide you good financial information. Another thing that's important is background checks. When a tenant is placed, you want to make sure that the tenant is screened very well, that there's a definite good level of background checking, which it could include, screening doing their credit report, doing a criminal background, evictions, and any rental history that they may have, and making sure that financially they're stable to be able to move into your property. Another thing is, one thing that you should always look for: what kind of knowledge do they have about property management? How up to date are they with the property code? What do they do to contribute to the property management community? So these are all things that are really important, that actually elevate the level of a property manager. How well they can service you, and how well do they understand property management in general, the laws, and how to, the legal implications on evictions and other areas. So these are really key points. Key area that always need to make sure, and it will vary distinctly from property management to from company to company, and that is your maintenance. How do they coordinate the maintenance? Do they include it as part of the main fee, or do they charge a percentage or fee for coordinating this? This is truly important, because that can definitely change how your basic management fee will account for when there is a fee included in making coordination for your maintenance and repair issues. So you need to really look at these things when hiring property management. Don't just look at the basic fee. Look at everything, the whole package. In general, you always have your basic management fee. Then you can have a leasing fee, which generally could be a month's rent, could be 90%, it could be half a month's rent. It will vary, but that's to place your tenant into the property, to list your property, and to allow it to be shown and make all the necessary arrangements for your property to get full. Some cases there will be some renewal fees, which includes signing an extension of a lease agreement and keeping your tenant an extra year or 2 or 3. So that's something that's really important too, because you want your tenants to stay. You don't want to have vacancies. You don't want to have to redo all of this all over again. So basically, renewal fee is important, and I think it's well worth it, because if you look at the long-term expense of leasing, it's definitely you want to renew you want a good management company that can help you renew and keep those tenants in place. So these are just some basic fees that you will encounter, and every management company is going to vary. They will include different things. There will be various other types of fees involved, but these are your general basic fees. And if you want to discuss more about fees and how some of these things are charged and what they include, please give me a call. I welcome all calls, emails, and I'll be glad to definitely talk to you. Thank you.